The night is black and the stars are bright, and the sea is dark and deep.
But someone I know is safe and snug, and they're drifting off to sleep. Round and round, a little boat no bigger than your hand, out on the ocean, far away from land. Take the little sail down, light the little light. This is the way to the garden in the night. In the night garden. Iggle, piggle, iggle, onk, we're going to catch the Pinky Ponk. Hurry up, Pinky Ponk. Who's here?
Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy! Oh, whoopsie daisy! Oh.
Upsy Daisy and Iggle Piggle.
Whoopsie daisy! Oh. Oh.
Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do.
Whoopsie daisy! Oh.
Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, Nickle Wiggle, Diggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, Nickle Wiggle Woo.
Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy!
Upsy Daisy and Iggle Piggle.
Pip pip on. Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy! Whoopsie daisy!
looking up, looking down, here and there, and all about. Here's a house. Whose house is this? And are they in, or are they out? Let's see.
Makka, Pakka.
Makka Pakka.
Makka, Pakka. Woo!
Makka Pakka, Akka Waka, Mika Maka Moo. Makka Pakka, Appa Yaka, Ika Akka Oo. Hum Dum, Aga Pang, Ing Ang Oo. Makka Pakka, Akka Waka, Mika Maka Moo.
Makka, Pakka. Makka, Pakka.
Hello, Makka Pakka. What are you doing today?
Makka, Pakka.
Are you going out into the garden? Can we go with you?
Makka, Pakka. Makka, Pakka.
Makka Pakka's Ogpog.
Ogpog. Makka, Pakka. Makka, Pang.
Makka Pakka's Sponge and Soap.
Makka, Pang. Makka, Makka, moo. Off, off,
Makka Pakka's Uff Uff.
off, off. Off, off. Dum.
And Makka Pakka's Trumpet. Oh!
Makka, Pakka. Makka, Pakka.
What a funny trumpet noise. It doesn't usually sound like that.
I'm done. Makka, Pakka. Makka. Makka. Moo. Makka, Pakka. Makka, Pakka.
Who's here? The Pontipines. The Pontipines are friends of mine, although they're only small, and even when there's 10 of them, they're hardly there at all. 1 Pontipine, 2 Pontipines, 3 Pontipines, 4 Pontipines, 5 Pontipines, 6 Pontipines, 7 Pontipines, 8 Pontipines, 9 Pontipines, 10 Pontipines.
Makka, Pakka.
What a funny noise.
Ooh, upsy daisy. Oh. Upsy daisy. Oh, upsy daisy.
What a funny noise.
Oh, upsy daisy. Ooh, ooh. Ah, upsy daisy.
Don't worry, Iggle-Piggle. It's only a funny noise.
Oh, upsy daisy. Oh, upsy daisy. Daisy do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, upsy daisy, upsy daisy. Oh, upsy daisy. Upsy daisy, daisy do. Upsy daisy, upsy daisy. Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. Ooh, upsy daisy. Makka Pakka. Oh, oh, upsy daisy. Oh, Makka Pakka. Oh, how. Upsy daisy. Ooh. Oh, upsy daisy. Oh.
What a funny trumpet noise.
Upsy daisy.
Makka Pakka's trumpet is making a funny noise.
Ooh. Upsy daisy. Oh. Upsy daisy.
There's something wrong with Makka Pakka's trumpet.
Oh, upsy daisy. Makka Pakka. Ooh, upsy daisy. Upsy daisy.
Oh, Upsy Daisy, have you had a clever idea to make Makka Pakka feel better? Are you going to do a dance?
Daisy do. Daisy do.
What a clever way to make Makka Pakka feel better.
Upsy daisy. Upsy daisy. Upsy daisy do. Upsy daisy. Daisy do. Upsy daisy do. Upsy daisy do. Makka Pakka. Upsy daisy. Oh, Makka Pakka. Oh, upsy daisy. Oh.
Look at that. Look what came out of Makka Pakka's trumpet. A pretty stone. That's more like Makka Pakka's trumpet noise.
Daisy, do! Makka Pakka. Ooh! Upsy Daisy! Daisy, do! Oh, oh, Daisy, do! Oh. Ah, Upsy Daisy! Ooh! Oh. Daisy, do! Daisy, do!
Makka Pakka.
Oh, Upsy Daisy! Oh.
What a lovely present.
Oh, Upsy Daisy. Ah. Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy. Oh, Daisy too. Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy. Daisy too. Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy. Oh, Upsy Daisy. Oh,
Thank you, Makka Pakka.
Daisy
Makka Pakka.
too. Oh, Upsy Daisy.
Makka Pakka.
Oh, Daisy too.
Makka Pakka had a stone in his trumpet. Isn't that a pip?
Upsy Daisy.
The titifers have sung their song. Time to go to sleep, Makka Pakka.
Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka.
A story. Once upon a time, in the night garden, there was a funny noise. Boop, 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 boop. What a funny noise, coming from Makka Pakka's trumpet. There was a stone in it. Makka Pakka gave the stone to Upsy Daisy. Thank you, Makka Pakka. Go to sleep, Makka Pakka. Go to sleep, Upsy Daisy. Go to sleep, Pontipines. Go to sleep, Tombliboos. to sleep, Ahus. Go to sleep, Ninky Nonk, and go to sleep, Pinky Ponk. Go to sleep, everybody. Wait a minute. Somebody's not in bed. Who's not in bed? Iggle Piggle's not in bed. Don't worry, Iggle Piggle. It's time to go.
It's the bedtime hour here at CBeebies, and look at these teddies. They're all tucked up in bed.
Poi, have you room for one more teddy bear?
Oh, hang on. Oh, yes, I think I've
Yes?
got room for one.
OK. Come on, Teddy. There we go.
Oh, I'm not sure there's room in that bed, even if they all roll over. Roll
over.
Oh, I'll tell you what, come over
oh,
here.
OK, Poi.
Oh, come and sit with me, big Teddy, and we'll listen to a bedtime story.
See you tomorrow. Take care.
Bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Today I went exploring. I found a place with lots of very, very bouncy people.
Let's celebrate!
Then I climbed a tree full of questions. Bee zoo! And found a garden where everyone talks completely differently. Also, I discovered you can even talk with your hands.
Hello.
I helped build a lovely house.
Well done!
And then I went into space. Then the elephant said it was time to go home.
That's a shame.
So I said goodbye to all my friends. See you soon another time. And now it's time for bed. But tomorrow I'm going to do it all again with CBeebies.
Hello, I'm Keely. I'm wrapping up a birthday present for somebody in tonight's story. Look, some stripy tights for my favourite witch, Winnie. The story is called Happy Birthday, Winnie. When Winnie the Witch turned over the page on her calendar, she saw a big red circle around Friday the 13th. That's my birthday, she said. I'll have a party this year, Wilbur. Prrr, said Wilbur. He loved parties. What kind of party? Winnie wondered. I know, a garden party. On Monday, Winnie wrote out the invitations and sent them by